everyone, I Jasnoor Kaur, your drawing and painting instructor. Welcome to the Mittlearn Drawing and Painting Beginner course. This course is designed for all age groups. I'm going to teach you the basic fundamental concepts of drawing and painting in a comprehensive way. In this, you will learn the basic techniques of color mixing, drawing patterns, and paintings. You will also learn about the techniques of painting such as thumb painting, watercolor painting, fabric painting, and knife painting. Along with it, you will also learn different artworks like Wali art, foil art, and many more. On the completion of this course, you will be well versed with different styles of painting and hence will be able to draw effortlessly.
So don't wait any longer. Join us today. To know more, please visit us at www.mittlearn.com.